There could be many reasons why people aren't subscribing to your channel. It's what we talk about today, why your YouTube channel sucks. Here we go. Hello, welcome back to another video. Now if you're new around here and you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or push your brand out there into the second largest search engine on the internet, click subscribe, start creating. Now let's be honest, we all start at some point and we all start and we all suck, right? Nobody hits the floor running and nobody is perfect on YouTube. But sometimes as it's your own channel, it's hard to see where you're going wrong. So I'm here to tell you why your YouTube channel sucks. But before I deep dive into my tips on how you can improve or what things you might need to look into, I want to know, how is your channel doing? Is there certain things that you know that you need to improve on? Please list them down below. What would you like to change to improve to move forward? There's many things when you start your YouTube channel that you have to do, but you may have just put off or forgotten. Now these are the common things that I find that many people just tend to never really put much energy or attention into, which could be losing them subscribers or just generally engagement. 1. The custom channel layout. Now this is what your homepage should look like. Basically your custom channel layout is your place where you can promote your playlists, your latest projects, your latest uploads, anything that you want to shove down someone's throat to make sure that they are watching. If it's turned off, it looks ugly. It's just the latest uploads. That's it. There's no control, there's no buttons, there's no discussion, nothing. But if you turn it on, it becomes that bookshelf that you wish that people would pick from and choose from. They can be intrigued by. You can show serious playlists, you can guide them through educational things, or you can shock them with thumbnails. This is your shop window. If you've only got the latest uploads, there's only 3 or 4 videos they can see. If you padded it out with playlists, they can see dozens and dozens of thumbnails. One of them might catch their eye and make them click. Maybe even make them subscribe. 2. The channel tags. Now I've gone on about video SEO so many times that I've even made a playlist, right? But there are channel tags as well. Channel tags are hidden away within the channel settings. These are tags that are relevant to you. These are the tags that would be relevant to your channel. So for me, there would be things like YouTube tutorials, how to grow on YouTube, Alan Spicer, web design. Basically things that I want that channel to be associated with. Feed YouTube the information, make sure you fill that in, make sure that they are relevant keywords, don't spam it with other creators' names. You are not PewDiePie, you are not Emma Blackery, don't put it in your channel tags, it won't help you. 3. Your channel banner. Now, when you go to your channel homepage, there's that big thing at the top, you know, where in my case, it's got exactly who I am, what I do. It says YouTube tricks and tips and my name. That clearly indicates who I am, what I do, right? And in some cases, you may even put your publish schedule on there or links to your merch or stuff like that. If you haven't bothered to design your channel banner, it looks ugly or it looks unappreciated, it looks unprofessional, or if you've just thrown up some random picture of a donkey, once again, how is that your branding? You need to make sure that your channel banner has you or your type of product in it. So once again, for me, it clearly says YouTube tricks and tips. But if you're gaming, put your channel name there, tell us what type of gaming and how often. Same with makeup tutorialists, your name or your channel name, and tell us what you're doing, makeup tutorials. You need to be able to look at that banner without even ever seeing the rest of the channel and be able to go, ah, that's Alan, his YouTube tutorials, his Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, that kind of thing. 4. Thumbnails. Now, thumbnails are the best way to wrap your video. They're the best way to promote your video. They're the most eye-catching thing about your video before they click on it. Now, I've done a video talking about how to make a perfect YouTube thumbnail. The video is up here. But you need to be consistent. You need to be focused. You need to have what everybody wants to see in that video in the thumbnail. So, if you are a beauty tutorialist and you're talking about some kind of lip gloss, make sure the lip gloss is clear center in the middle of that, and maybe if you've got any branding or any text, make sure that the text matches with your other thumbnail. Try to make your thumbnails branded, so therefore people can look at them and go, ah, that's an Alan video, ah, that's a Zoella video. Even though your face may not be in it, they just know it from the frame or your little logo in the bottom left hand corner, that kind of thing. 5. Your channel sucks because you only upload once a week or once a month or once every 3 months. Dedication, consistency. Would you subscribe to a YouTube channel that doesn't put out regular content? If you're subscribed to a YouTube channel that randomly throws up a video once every month or so? Does that annoy you? I strongly advise that you should be aiming for around about 2 to 3 videos a week to make sure that you're maximizing your reach and your subscribers feel that there's regular content, that you're engaging, that you can communicate. Nobody wants to subscribe to a YouTube channel that's a lucky dip, because sometimes you get an apple and sometimes you just get nothing. And 6, search engine optimization. Now, I've banged on about this over and over and over and over again. Once again, there is a playlist up here on how to optimize your videos, how to create tags, how to title your video better, that kind of thing. These things will lift your videos, will help you get seen. Also, it looks much more professional if you've got a decent title, if you've got your description at the top and not any links off to another website or off to Facebook, and if the tags are filled in properly, people can then identify that that's a video about that lip gloss or that game. You are helping YouTube identify what you do, what that video is about, and how to rank it. If you don't put in tags, if you put a disgusting title, and if you haven't put any description at all, how is YouTube even going to know what you are and what that video is about? Because at the end of the day, all you want to do is make sure that everything looks great so you can grow your channel. For more tips on growing your channel, there's a video up here. But those are the reasons why your YouTube channel sucks. For more tricks and tips, hit that subscribe button for regular YouTube tricks and tips videos. Hit that notification icon so you're alerted immediately when my video goes up. Go out there, start creating.